Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here and hope you are doing awesome today. Today I shall be unboxing the Edifier W293BT and giving you my opinions about it. Let's begin. And welcome back guys, and starting with the unboxing. On the front of the box is an image of the earphones as well as the model number, and on the back are the specifications. Opening up the box and I see another black box that contains a few things. The first is the micro USB cable for charging, the second is the earphones itself, and the third is extra ear tips. Underneath is another compartment that contains a carrying pouch and user manuals. Taking a look at the Oxygen earphones, and it has quite a unique design that I am not used to. It has an inline volume control with a play pause button in the middle, and lastly is a microphone as well as a micro USB port for charging. Putting them on, and personally they are not the best fit for me. The main reason for this is that they just keep falling off. Sound quality wise and the Oxygen have actually very good bass. A complaint that I do have though is that it can sound very teeny, especially when you use it at loud volumes. It really gets distorted. Battery wise, I was able to get about 7-ish hours of battery life out of the Oxygen. And over the time that I used the Oxygen, I am not going to pronounce the full model number, I noticed a few things, both good and bad. Let's go over some of them. The first thing I like is the pouch for carrying the Oxygen. Second is the customizability with the extra ear tips and wing tips. And the third thing that I like is that it has very good bass. Now to what I do not like, and I absolutely hate the tinniness of the Oxygen. Don't even try listening to this at full volume. The next thing is that the volume control is too heavy on one side, making the Oxygen fall out of my ear all the time. And that's basically about it. I'm finally coming up to price, and the Oxygen here in Malaysia retails for 249 ringgit, which if you ask me, I would say if you can get this cheaper, if it were like, let's say 190 something, 120 maybe, but for 249 ringgit, I definitely would not recommend this. Not that it's a bad earphones, no, but there are just so many usability things, especially like keeping this in the ear, that this just completely falls apart at. Perhaps if they reduce the price, I could recommend this, but at that price, I do not think I can recommend it. Anyways, do you have this Oxygen earphones? What do you think about it? Please leave a comment down there below. A huge shout out to Edifier for sending this over, and it has taken me a while to get to this video, but a huge backlog of stuff to do. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. If you've watched, if you have any questions, leave it in comment down there below. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. It has, I like it. Thumbs down if there's anything you do not like, and even more importantly than liking or disliking or subscribing, please make sure you take care of your awesome, amazing self. You're an amazing person, don't forget that. And shall catch you lovely, awesome, amazing person next time. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.